Hey y'all, it's Nancy. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me for the product reveal for this sweet stamp and coordinating die set called Alfrogbet. Try saying that, guys. Alfrogbet. So this set has so many stamps in it. It measures 4 by 6 and it has 9 different cutie little frog characters. We'll look at them a little bit more closely in a minute. And it has all of the alphabets, of course, 5 of which have lowercase, and then there are 8 special characters, including like the ampersand, parentheses, hashtag, those types of things. So here I've mounted up in my MISTI. We're stamping it out just so we can see what they look like stamped up. And they stamp out beautifully. Make sure that your ink pad has plenty of ink though. Mine is a little bit dry, so it took a couple times. But here is that stamp set that I stamped up, all colored up. You can see the character, you can see the detail in these little cuties. Oh my gosh, you don't have to stick to green. Obviously I have a rainbow of froggies there. You can see the detail with the funny hats and the glasses and the different expressions, and just so much personality in these guys. Now remember, it is an alphabet set, so I have taken some lessons from my sweet friend Lisa on the design team, and I use the bottom of a piece of cardstock as my guide. They stamp out simply. You want to make sure that you season them a little bit, rub off that oil that's present in the processing and the manufacturing, and then it'll stamp perfectly. You can see on the E I didn't do that. But look, even punctuation. Boom, so simple. Now this is the coordinating die set, and this is what they look like all die cut out. Aren't they sweet? So for my sample today, I have a set of ATCs. I was very much inspired by some other products that are being released today, the jungle frames and the sprinkle scallops rectangle dies. And the smallest of the dies in each set is perfectly sized for ATCs, so that was my inspiration. Guys, I'll have all the products that I've used today listed and linked downstairs for ease of shopping. In the meantime, I will see you over on the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook page. And until next time, this is Nancy, and I'm out.